Introduction. Hello kids, this is a jungle. Animals living here are called wild animals. The jungle is the world of wild animals. Wild animals are important and interesting animals found on the earth. Let us know more about these wild animals. Objectives. After completing this lesson, you will be able to recognize main wild animals, learn about the natural shelters of wild animals, identify the food eaten by wild animals, list the importance of wild animals. The jungle is the natural home of wild animals. They are called wild because they can hurt. The lion is big and strong. He is the most powerful animal of the jungle. Hence, he is also known as the king of the jungle. The lion eats meat and flesh of other animals. The cheetah is the fastest animal in the jungle. He is also big and strong. The giraffe is the tallest animal in the jungle. Monkeys, quite intelligent and mischievous. The bear is hairy with sharp claws, big teeth and very strong. Insects and birds also live in the jungle. Let us look at what wild animals eat for food. Lions, tiger and vultures are carnivorous animals. They eat flesh of other small animals. Deer, giraffe and rabbits are herbivorous animals as they eat only plants. Animals like bear and crow are called omnivorous animals as they eat both plants and animals. Jackals, vultures and hyena are called scavengers. They eat flesh of dead animals. Animals are useful to us. We get fur and leather from animals like lion, snake and crocodile. The beautiful ornaments and showpieces are made from elephant teeth. The oil extracted from the liver of some fishes is used in medicines. Wild animals are the essential part of Earth. They maintain the balance in the ecosystem. The animal life becomes endangered due to excessive cutting of trees and destruction of forests by humans. Some people kill wild animals for recreation only. Some of the species, like the Bengal tiger, have become extinct. So, we should protect the wild animals. Save wildlife, save Earth. Summary. Let's summarize what we have learnt. Wild animals are living beings. They live in jungles, which are their natural homes. Wild animals may be carnivores, herbivores, omnivores, or scavengers. Wild animals are very important and we should protect them.